Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. I have an exciting recipe to bring to you today. It's for a crazy everything cookie dough, and it leaves it to the baker's choice to be creative and make a variety of cookies. And it all starts with this cookie dough recipe. Stay tuned and I'll walk you through it. But first, you might want to check out my new cookbook. It's now available on Amazon. And I've provided a quick link in the description below this video that will help you go right to the page where you can purchase your own copy. Just the right size to find your recipes easily. I carefully selected the recipes that I wanted to put in my first cookbook, so I really hope that you enjoy it. Alright, back to today's featured video, and I'll meet you in the kitchen. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And line your cookie sheets with parchment paper. Start by adding 1 cup of softened butter to your mixing bowl. Then add 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar and 2/3 of a cup of white sugar. Crack open 1 large egg and add that. I use the paddle attachment on my mixer and I mix that together until it's well combined. Now then we'll add 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda. Then 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. Once again, mix that together until it's well combined. Alright, now we need to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And you'll be able to see here what the consistency is like. It's a very thick dough, which is perfect. It's exactly what you want it to be because it's going to be a great base dough for all the cookies that we want to create. And today I'm going to be showing you probably about 9 different varieties, and this is just the beginning of what you can create from this dough. And to all the bold bakers, use your imagination. Alright, let's go for it. We'll start by Werther's Original Caramels. I really like this one a lot, so I'm going to make it the first one on the list. So you pinch off some dough, put it into a separate little bowl, and you add whatever mixtures it is that you want to create in a cookie. So I'm putting some caramel chunks here, and massage that in with your hands until it's well mixed. And you can use whatever caramels you have on hand, but I'm going to add some mini chocolate chips to this as well. Alright, so let's make some cookies out of this. I like to decorate the top with a couple more pieces of caramel and maybe even a few more chocolate chips. Alright, on to the next chunk of dough that we're going to create. This one would be M&Ms, and that's pretty simple. And bear in mind that everything that you add to your cookie dough will vary. The amounts depend on you. So the first cookie sheet's going in the oven on the middle rack at 350 degrees for about 9 or 10 minutes. And while we're waiting for those to bake, let's do some more variations. This is some crunchy peanut butter. This one gets a little sticky with mixing it with your hands, but that's okay. You can wash your hands when you're done. Now just using regular balls of dough, put them on the cookie sheet, flatten them down a little bit, and simply decorate the top. And these decorations will bake into the cookie. For this next one, take a small pinch of dough, place a little bit of hazelnut spread on it, add some crushed hazelnuts, and add another piece of dough on top. Top it off with a couple of chocolate chips. And they all get baked with the same temperature and approximately the same time. Okay, so this next variation is mini white chocolate chips and large milk chocolate chunks. And once again, don't forget to decorate the tops of each of them with a little bit more of it. And pop them in the oven to bake just like the rest of them. Alright, let's see what they all look like when they start coming out of the oven. I don't know about you, but I love cookies, and most people do. So how could you not love a recipe like this? Right? We're not done yet, so don't leave. We're going to name these. With a recipe like this, and you do your own creations, you can have all kinds of fun with it. So go ahead, you name them whatever you want them to be. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. And thanks so much for your support of this channel, for your subscriptions, and for watching the ads that are attached to this video. Now go make some cookies and let me know what you did with them.